Today, I'm going to replace a broken fender skirt. This happens all the time. And here is the new piece that I'll install. So this thing's actually broken in several places. You may not see that upon first glance. Right there, the screw went all the way through. It did there too, and it did there too. And you see I have various on-the-road solutions to fix those. In addition, that aluminum piece there that curves up there, that was an on-the-road fix. It was all right, but that thing still flaps around too much, as you can see in the wind. That's going to break the screws, so we need to make it more stable. First, I have to take out everything in the back that is holding it into place. There's the old skirt. As you see, it's broken in places. I'll get some of those screws out of there because I could probably reuse them. There's a whole bunch of things holding that in place. It's not often you get to actually clean up under here. It doesn't have to be totally spick and span, but why not? Just in case you were wondering, it doesn't look that great when it's not on there. Time for some starter holes. Now I'm installing with these new lovely screws. Lining up the holes can be tricky. Just go slowly. Perfect. Or is it? What's that doing? Well, as you see, that's got to be cut off and reinstalled over there. There's your tool for cutting that piece off. Does a really nice job.